Hi, welcome back. Now we're going to get started writing. You know how to use the parts of speech. The parts of speech are the most important building block of the writing process. Now that you master them, we're ready to use what's in your writing portfolio, and we're going to use the same sheet to write our simple sentences. And if we move through quickly enough, we'll even write some compound sentences because it's so easy using this unbelievable system. Okay, let's get started. To write a simple sentence, it's nothing more than a noun and a verb combination. That's it. That is a simple sentence in the English language. To write a compound sentence, it's two of these connected by a coordinating conjunction. So it's going to be noun, verb, coordinating conjunction, and another noun, verb. That's a compound sentence. That's it. You may have heard of a compound word. That's where they take two words and make a new word out of it. Cow and boy, put them together, you have cowboy. This is how we make compound sentence. We take a simple sentence, another simple sentence connected with a coordinating conjunction, and you have a compound sentence. Let's write one using your parts of speech. So we'll write a simple sentence. The dog ran, period. Label the parts of speech. There's my noun, there's my verb. Dog is a noun because I could see it, touch it, smell it. This is the verb, he ran. The dog ran, period. Put a period. So when you have a noun-verb combination with a period, that is known as a simple sentence. Okay? I'm going to write two more. Take out a piece of paper. Follow along with me. The bird flew. Make sure you have a period mark. And the boy fell, period. Identify your parts of speech. Noun, because I could see it, hear it. Verb, that was the action. The boy, I can see him, I can touch him. That's a noun. His action was he fell. They all have periods. You have a simple sentence. That's how easy it is to write in the English language when you know the structure of the language, which you do now. So as you can see, the parts of speech are the building blocks for this system. And you have 5 of them in your writing portfolio. And we're going to use those to construct your simple sentences. So on the bottom of this page is the PDF link for your simple sentence activity sheet. Download that, and then I'll see you at the next lesson.